everybody, it's me again. Today I'm going to make a video for you that goes into a little bit more detail about three of the energy types that can produce heat. Okay, so energy can take on many forms, and just to make it a little bit more confusing, they can change from one form to another. Okay, so many different types of energy can be converted into heat energy. So light energy, electrical energy, kinetic energy, chemical energy, mechanical energy, nuclear energy and sound energy can all cause a substance to heat up by increasing the speed of its molecules. Heat is a pretty complicated thing, and we're working really hard to understand those complexities. So this term we will be concentrating on three of the types of energy that can produce heat. And we're going to talk about those three types in more detail right now. Electrical energy is the easiest one for us to understand. Okay, electrical energy is converted into heat energy, which in scientific language is called thermal energy, when you use objects such as electric blankets, toasters, hair dryers, or light bulbs. If you plug it into the wall and something gets warm, like your toaster is getting warm as it's cooking the toast. Oh, they should be red. I'll try again. Your hair dryer is blowing hot air. Your light bulb is heating up. These are heat lines, heat waves. Can't you tell? And your electric blanket gets nice and warm and cozy. Doesn't that look nice and warm? If it plugs into the wall, creates heat, then you can be reasonably sure that the heat has been produced by electrical energy. Motion energy, which is really called kinetic energy, comes from things that are in motion. All moving things have kinetic energy. Kinetic energy that belongs to an object is due to its motion or movement. The heavier an object is, the faster it moves and the more kinetic energy it has. So a rolling bowling ball will have more kinetic energy than a rolling marble. Okay, energy from friction creates heat. For example, when you rub your hands together, sharpen a pencil, make a skid mark with your bike, or use the brakes on your car, the friction that is created causes heat, and friction is a form of kinetic energy. Chemical energy is probably the trickiest one for us to grasp. Chemical energy is energy that is stored in atoms and molecules. Okay, chemical energy is released in a chemical reaction, often in the form of heat. Examples of chemical energy producing heat are striking a match, burning a candle, batteries, petroleum, natural gas, and dry wood. As each of these things burn, there is a chemical reaction that produces heat. For example, this match has chemical energy stored in it. When the match is struck, it burns, and the chemical in it produces heat energy, and in this case, light energy as well. So there you have it. Three different types of energy that can produce heat. Electrical energy, motion energy or kinetic energy with friction, and chemical energy. So this week we'll be looking at those three in more detail. We'll be looking at things that are heat produced by electricity or electrical energy, heat that is produced by friction, kinetic energy, and heat that is produced by chemical energy, which is burning. Okay, so remember, after you finish watching this video, you can go into the Google form and write down the three main points, and you can ask a question if there's anything that you are not sure of for us to go over at the start of our next lesson. Okay, have a lovely week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.